Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the morning time. I am creating this video only for educational purpose. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. I think this is the sunny day, and there is no cloud at all, and the environment is calm and quiet. The bird is chirping around me. You can see behind me and all around me. This is really amusing place. You can see really. I'm on the brink of the river. This river name is Kumarnod. When I was child, I swam in this river. I used to bath in this river, and you can see behind me this beautiful river. And you will be astonished to hear that in our village there is a many bamboo garden. Most of the family have many bamboo garden because of there is a river, and brink of the river they planted bamboo. That's why there is a available bamboo garden. You can see behind me there is also a bamboo garden, and in my village the farmers have the banana field. There is a banana field behind me. A lot of banana there. Most of the farmers have banana field. They plant this. This is newly born banana trees. It is growing day by day. After 3 months, you will have bananas. There is a lot of bananas. You can see. This is the bananas leaf. The ripe already. The green leaf. So when you go to shoot any video, that time you try to speak about your surroundings. Surrounding can help you to speak out any topics. I basically don't select any topic. I try to instant speak at any things. Whenever my mind goes blank, I try to do something. And every speaker who want to be fluent in English, they can talk to anything that can be good or bad, but they try to speak out. They try continuous process. Today, I don't have any topics, and I don't never select any topics. Randomly, I speak. There is no barrier at all. Whenever I talk to anyone, I talk only for my own wish. I never select any topics. Whenever the person asks about myself, then that time I try to talk about myself. And sometimes I ask them any personal question or anything else, but they can try to answer them. But whenever I make any video, basically there is no person at all. I have to talk only, and I have to speak out about anything else. And I'm trying to be fluent, and my English gradually, I think recently I thought my English is going fast recently, and Previously, my English was not good, but nowadays it is better, I think. And after 3 months, you will best. You will be best, I think. Let's see, there is a sunny morning, and this is really mesmerizing scenery. You can see behind me the river water, bamboo garden. If you try hard, after a time, you will be fluent. Fluency is not a piece of cake. It takes time. Sometimes your memory goes blank whenever you talk. You can be freeze. Sometimes I feel embarrassed whenever I continue to my talk, because our first language is Bengali. As a Bangladeshi, our first language is Bengali, and the English is our second language. That's why I have a barrier. I have a translation problem. Whenever I speak, that time our memory go to the translation way. They maintain the translation process. And many people who are talking randomly and their speed is very fast, their memory don't go to translate. They, a language is automatic process. It will come from the automatic way. But most of the teacher or learner from any other country, that country the first language English, they first go to the translation way, and after that they speak out. It is the wrong way, but it happens. It happens not only to me, but also for the others. It is really embarrassing way. But after pass this way, we can be fluent, I hope. And I am going very fast. Sometimes I imagine before my English was not good at all, but nowadays it is going very fast, and I feel very confident whenever I talk to anyone. But when I talk to alone, that time my English is not good, I think. This time English is not good, I think. But whenever I talk to anyone, that time I feel very energy. I feel very confidence in my mind, in my heart. And I don't feel any shy. Nowadays, I remove my shyness. I'm trying to remove my shyness, trying to remove my laziness. And I have to make many videos in front of the public speakers. Public place is very important for making videos. If you make any videos in front of the public place, that time you feel more confidence. Your confidence will grow up, and day by day you will be fluent. So I have to do this way. I can advise to anyone, but I have to also follow. Sometimes I heard that many Islamic scholars give advice to the other people, but they don't follow at all. I heard before. But I have to follow also. As well as I can talk to anyone. Brothers, sisters, you can follow this way. This is very interesting way. You can follow. And as well as I have to also follow. This is the way. And who love me, the guys who love me, please, you can follow these rules. You can talk in front of the public place, because it will help you to remove shyness. It will help you to be confident speaker. Shyness is one kind of barrier, and sometimes your memory goes blank. You can be freeze, but don't worry, brother. First time you think, whenever you went to swim in river or pond, you have take many months to be fluent speaker. It takes many months or years, but you have to continue your process. Continue, run, maintain consistency. It will help you a lot. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.